Innocent spouse relief is a very specific type of relief that's available during an exam specifically when there is a married filing joint tax return, but one of the spouses shielded or hid income from the other spouse. And during the course of the audit, there's additional tax imposed as a result of that income that the other spouse, what's called the non-liable spouse, had no idea about. So that non-liable spouse can petition for innocent spouse relief during the exam, saying to the IRS, hey, I had no idea about this income. And I never would have signed the return the way it was if I had known about it. So it's very fact specific, but it's a way in which one of the spouses can avoid additional tax liability if the other spouse had done things improperly that led to a filing of a joint return that wasn't accurate. The type of evidence that'll be critical to show for a non-liable spouse will be evidence of a separate bank account that the liable spouse had only their name on and the spouse didn't know of, evidence, emails, phone records, text that can show that I didn't know what my husband was doing. My wife had this burner account I didn't know about. Any type of evidence that could be introduced to show that only one spouse was aware of this additional income that wasn't reported and the other spouse had no idea. It's anything that will corroborate that story will be useful.